You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce the scientific name for what is normally known as a bee orchid. You know, those orchid flowers that look like bees. Let's break it down. In English, it's normally pronounced as Ophrys. The Americans would say it more as Ophrys, but in British English, the pronunciation Ophrys. Ophrys. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.